patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. CLSK stock. This stock is ready for that big move to 20s, 30s, and beyond. I remember a long time ago, APLD stock was at $3. Nobody wanted it. Nobody cared about it. Now it's at, what, 30s? It shot up to like 46 recently. These AI infrastructure plays, these are going to go up over the long term to 20s, 30s, 40s, and beyond, because we do need the infrastructure. It is inevitable, much like AI is inevitable, just much like robotics is inevitable, and it will replace us. It's already doing so. A lot of people losing their jobs to AI, and we're just getting started. I'm sure there's going to be even more reports of hundreds of thousands of layoffs over the next few years. That's just companies don't want you. They want something that's just going to show up and do the job 24/7. And if it doesn't work, it replaces it immediately with a new bot that just continues to work. So, a bot don't got to do no poo or pee, but it does need the infrastructure. I don't know if that made sense, but this stock is no longer about Bitcoin crypto mining operations. Yes, it's still doing that, but it's moving into the AI, high performance computing, hosting part of the game. So, what am I watching for here? We're looking at the charts. This does look kind of like a cup, maybe a handle, and it's breaking out. But it needs to get above. It does need to get above 15. If it does get above 15, boy, oh boy, can this close this gap here to 17, then 20, and then the high over here at $23, where I am absolutely bag holding 200 shares, which is no big deal. It's not a lot of shares, but I did buy 200 shares, I think at around 20s. Low 20s, maybe 21. I'd have to check. It's been a long time since I checked on it, because everything crashed in October. So it's been like over 7 months since then. But yeah, I kind of just held the 200 share bag, and I'm waiting for it to come back up for me, which it will, because this is not a garbage company. We knew that once Bitcoin reversed, this would reverse too. We also knew that once they started following through on the AI hosting side of things, it's going to start moving. It's not going to happen right away, but once it does get that breakout, it will go to 20s again and potentially follow Riot and go to 30s and possibly follow APLD into the 40s. We'll see what happens when that time comes, but I will initiate a buy rating with a sell target of 20, 30, and 40. It's up to you how you want to sell, whether you want to scale out or hold and be greedy for 40. It's up to you how you want to play it in terms of selling, or you can hold long term for 100 if you believe it's going to go to 100. Yeah, that's very greedy, but if you want to be more conservative, you buy, sell at 20. If it goes to 30, cool, you already made your money. But yeah, you don't be greedy, guys. This is the point I'm trying to make. So let's continue here. I think it was the Nvidia CEO who said that right now the ultimate constraint is, when it comes to AI, is its power. And well, that's why you're seeing a lot of companies pivot into AI data centers. That includes CleanSpark, which already has 1.8 gigawatts of contracted power capacity, and they are developing more so they can get more of that sweet contracts that sends the stock price soaring, which is what we all love. We want those sweet contracts, because then it goes to the moon and everyone makes a lot of money. Right? Today's move, 9% move, that ain't shit. That's nothing. Come on, guys. If you guys have been following Bitcoin mining stocks for years and years, you know that a 10% move ain't nothing. It's nothing. You know that. Me and you, we have seen Mara stock, Riot stock. We followed these stocks. We've seen them move 20% in a day, 18% in a day. We know they can do better than this. So this is nothing. This is just getting started, is the point I'm trying to make. Let's see if there's anything else here. Yeah, I think that's about it. A lot of price targets of 25, 27. We got 22. Let me see what else. A lot of people raising their price targets as well, as what I've noticed. because they're valuating no more. Yeah, people, if they're still valuating this as a Bitcoin miner, that's wrong. It should be evaluated more as a hyperscaler than a Bitcoin miner, or both. But either way, I think that once the market begins pricing in the value of their AI data center, that side of things, it should, like APLD, make a move to 20s, 30s, and then maybe beyond. We'll see, because APLD itself hasn't gone to 50 yet, but it tried. So, but it is trending. Like, these hyperscalers are slowly climbing over the long term. So if they're gonna, if all these AI infrastructure plays are gonna follow one another, kind of like quantum stocks, they follow one another, then we should see these be worth so much more than where at, and technically should be labeled as undervalued, at least relative to APLD's price. All right, guys, that is it. That is my analysis on CLSK. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Risk is